Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the Stripe ACH payment setup explained. So today we're going to be explaining it. So let's first start on what is ACH. So ACH is known as the Automated Clearing House. So it is a US only network that allows customers to pay directly from their bank accounts instead of using cards. So Stripe supports ACH, credit, and ACH debit payments. So let's talk about the ACH debit. So the ACH debit is that you pull money from a customer's bank account with authorization, while the ACH credit is that it is the customer that pushes the money to your bank account. So that is the difference from ACH debit and the credit. So next is the step-by-step to set up the ACH payments in the Stripe. So first, you have to enable the ACH in your Stripe dashboard. So you just have to log into your Stripe dashboard, go to the settings, tap on the payment methods, and enable the ACH direct debit if not already enabled. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!